Suspect is armed with a sharp line up the hill.
He is armed. He is armed.
All units, officer needs help. All units, officer needs help. Adam St. James. Officer needs help. Adam St. James. For the team.
Suspect is armed with a sharp line up the hill.
He is armed. He is armed.
All units, officer needs help. All units, officer needs help. Adam St. James. Officer needs help. Adam St. James. For the team.
Suspect is armed with a sharp line up the hill.
He is armed. He is armed.
All units, officer needs help. All units, officer needs help. Adam St. James. Officer needs help. Adam St. James. For the team. Every team is over.
You good, man?
I'm seeing stars. Hold on.
You're good.
Fire department taking Adams in the street. We're going to send a unit to over to block eastbound traffic. Running again.
You're good. I got you. Adams and Gramercy.
Okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Somebody okay?
We're good. Stop. Stop. Hey, fuck. Partner, he needs help. Fuck. I'm gonna go the other side. I'm trying to unlock it.
How many units block off? Westbound traffic on Adams and Gramercy.
You okay, man? Hey, you good, man? I'm gonna cut him. I'm gonna cut him out. Not right now. We have an RA coming. We're trying. That door's blocked.
Is the seatbelt cut off?
Yeah, it's cut off.
Is there any way you can get the seat back? They need to get him out. He's still breathing. Is his leg stuck?
I can't tell.
Hold him up. Let me see.
Wait.
Hey,
Does
buddy.
he have a pulse?
Hello? Hey, buddy.
Hold on. Is he breathing? Hold on.
He's breathing.
He's breathing.
You can see
He's
it.
breathing.
You can see it. You can see it right here. You just need to try to get this off of him.
Yeah.
Well, his legs might be jammed in. Fuck. We'll keep trying, but FD's on their way. They'll help him get out.
Up. You need to get it off.
The door is jammed.
Hold him up. Hold him up. Hold him up. baby. Sir?
Yeah, no, he's stuck in there.
Just keep breathing, baby. Just keep breathing.
FD will...
Let's keep him breathing right now.
Keep breathing.
Do you see any other injuries? Other than concussion due to
The
any
side...
open wounds?
It looks like he has
It's just
laceration
his
behind
head.
his ear.
Okay.